Hello everyone, it's Mossy Mysterioso here. Welcome back to Pokemon Violet, where I am in the middle of an area with many Pokemon that are in their 50s, as in level 50s, which could potentially be incredibly bad. So I have some rare candy. I don't. Crap. So, this thing is showing to be over here. So that's where I'm going to go. Stay away from me. I'm not wasting my Pokemon on you. You're too powerful. But one day I'll be more powerful than you can possibly imagine. Trying to keep an eye out for it. I forget how I found it last time. You have to, like, I think you have to do something kind of specific to sort of get the time. Oh crap! Oh Jesus! Leave me alone, please. It's on that island over there, I believe. No, no, no. Just go over here, please. Get up there, please. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh, okay. Now, what did I do last time? Isn't one of these, like, supposed to be... Sushi. Am I supposed to get rid of all of them? I can't escape? Great. Great! I'm gonna die out here. Okay, maybe I shouldn't be out here yet. So, I'm gonna do a different Titan. If this map would stop rotating on its own... I'm just gonna fly over there. Save some time. Change this again. Okay, so heal up first. And see if I can sell some stuff. Can sell. Oh, that's a pretty good one. Mago, Aguave, and Ayapapa. I think it's just supposed to be a or La Papa. Is it supposed to be an I? No, it's an I because there's no capital L. Does not look like that. That's what it's supposed to be, capital I, which is always confusing because it looks like a lowercase L. Oh, I didn't realize how much other item stuff I had. 2,500. 225. $750, $1,500, I really want this one. Do I have any duplicates? Nope. I got a lot of these though. $6,000. Good God. 2,000. Okay. Moving on to the Orth. I think it's Orthworm. That's the thing, isn't it? Here. Now I'm gonna. Oh, it's already a destination. Oh crap. I'm just going the long way, aren't I? Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, this one should be pretty easy, though, right? It's, you know, in an area that's relatively easy. I think. Oh. Already got the call. Damn it. I want that climbing one. That one was the best one. Okay, so since this is Area 3, I'm guessing these might be some, you know, lower level Pokemon. Not, at least ones that are not in their 50 levels. Dang, I can't get up there. How? So he's. I remember you see it just kind of poking out of the ground, basically. I saw that, and now it's gone. Okay, how am I gonna... I'm stuck down here. Oh, no, I'm not. other side of this, isn't it? Oh boy, this is gonna get real easy to get lost in, isn't it? Oh god, okay. Is there another way to get around this? Like through here? Maybe? Nope. Where the hell am I now? Oh, shoot. Please don't be overly crazy. Okay. Not really. Alright, I'm trying to find the Titan first. Let me get this. Maybe, yes. Oh my god. Holy, what the hell? They're everywhere. Good god. Oh, Venom Shock, that might be a good one. Voltorb just exploded, I just saw that. Oh, god dang it. Okay. My gosh, so many items. And even more items. Drill run. Pick it up. There you go. Nice. Is that a... Oh no, that's a... It's not a Gardevoir, it's the pre-evolution to Gardevoir, which I forget the name of. Oh, oh god. You're just gonna blow up, aren't you? No, crap. Dang it, I climbing. Okay. A Meowth. Oh, there was a lag. Okay, I think I'm getting close. I think. This feels familiar. I'm gonna sell so much stuff. Should be around here somewhere. It's like a fidget spinner on the map. Oh my gosh. Getting spoiled rotten with all the items. Is there a way? Yes, there's a way up right here. Oh, and there's a gang over. Which one is this? Wait. I can see... Isn't that not a gang? A gang area? A gang thing? What? Yeah, that's this. Okay. I knew there was a... I knew there was something. Should I try getting the Hariyama? I really wanted a Hariyama. I'll do it. Okay. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay. Two, three. Yes! Hell yeah. Excuse me. I think it's one of these guys. Why not? Damn it, I wanted to catch that. Oh, wrong button again. Is that guy floating? I see you over there. First I want to see if I can go up here. Sandstorm. Nope, I missed the ladder. There we go. Please do something good. Is there gonna be a treasure chest? Is there another? There's another. I thought there was only... Okay. One more level, I guess. And is it gonna be a Gimmighoul? A Gimmighoul? Yes, it is. Plus an item. Okay, now. On 22 minutes? Perfect. Now. If I remember correctly, this was the first Titan I battled. So I think I just need to be very quiet and careful. I'll heal up a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna... Wait, no, not that. How do I, There. Okay. Very carefully and quietly. Oh, okay. Oh, wrong button, wrong button, wrong button. Do I just chase it? Is that what I did last time? Yeah, I guess it is. Okay. I forgot it had little arms. Oh gosh. Sandworm from Dunes. Or Dune, not Dunes. Jesus. That was the wrong thing. Okay, you know what's good enough. Is this where the goodies are? We always do this together, don't we, Arvin? Please tell me you brought more than one Pokemon, Arvin. I guess he didn't. You know, Orthworm kind of reminds me of a Muppet. Or no. He reminds me of... What's... Oh gosh. What's Oscar the Grouch's worm? He has a pet worm. What's that worm's name? It's like Sammy or something. X-Scissor. Hell yeah. Let's see. You know what? To have a variety, let's do Red Rock Tomb. Oh, crap. You know what? Never mind. It'll be fine. What flavor is this herb? It's like salty. Probably not. I really hope we get the climbing power for Radon, because that would be so useful. Salty, that's right. Oh, sorry. I think I just hit the microphone a little hard. I didn't mean to hit it at all. Jump higher. Oh. Well, it's a higher jump, so that's something, right? And I'm guessing because the you know what, maybe it is specific to what herb goes to which. Because maybe the easiest one would be the, the simplest one, and the hardest herb would be the best power for him to have. Oh, gosh. Yep, very high. Okay, now where am I now? There's a lot of gangs around me. Should I try you again? How long is this video going on? 33 minutes. So this whole area is the 50s. I wonder if I'm ready for her yet. Psychic type. I'll just go to this. No, I'll do this one and then go from there. And once I get there, I'll end the video. Can I heal up? I'm all healed. Okay. Sell some stuff because I think I have some stuff to sell, right? Yep, I do. I have quite a few things to sell. Makuhita sweat? I collected its actual sweat? That's kind of nasty. 15,000. Good God. $15,000. Okay. Okay, so let me mark this on the map. Actually, let me mark this on the map so I can check into it. Is this a way I can go, or is this a dead end? About to find out, I guess. I have a feeling it might be a dead end, though. Is it supposed to be spring? Because I know deerling are only pink when it's spring. They change during the seasons. I have a feeling this is just leading me farther away from my destination. And it did. Actually, no, it's not. Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Okay, now which way? Where the hell am I? Was I going the wrong way? I went the wrong way. Shit. I'm gonna set this as my destination. I went back the way I came. Ha! Saw that. I know I saw something. Okay. New destination point. That's a waterfall thing. It's not a bridge. I thought it was a bridge. Rare candy doesn't feel that rare since I'm finding so much of it. Just saying. Am I going the right way? No, I'm not. I'm going back the way I came again, but I see an item over here that I missed. Wait, no, I am going the right way. Am I? Yeah, I am. I don't think this is gonna work, actually. Oh, shit. Okay, how about this one? Yeah, actually, you know what? I think I should end the video here. This has already gone on for over 40 minutes. Oh, stretching. Oh, stretching. Oh, gosh. Alright, so ending it here. So thank you all very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, then please leave a like and subscribe, as doing those two things tells me that you actually enjoy my content and that you want to see more content. Also, doing those two things would be helping me have a career. So please subscribe and please like. Also, doing those two things helps my channel and my videos in the YouTube algorithm, so where they can be recommended to watchers. So again, thank you so much. Please do not hesitate to leave a comment. Actually, no, please do leave a comment on how many stakes there are to those doors, the weird doors, and where they are. Because I don't think I was ever able to... Actually, no, not don't think. I was never able to open them in my previous playthrough of this. So, please help me with that. Also, please be sure to hit the little bell icon that's right next to the subscribe button so that you know when I upload a new video or make a new community post. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.